Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited new Gmail accounts without phone verification or any SMS confirmation. The first thing that you want to do over here guys is that you want to log into your current Gmail account and then you want to click on the lower right corner at the three dots. When you click over here, you will have an option over here to clear browsing data in the middle of the screen. After you clear your browsing data, you want to come back over here and try to create at least one new Gmail account. Most cases you will be able to do so because every new Gmail account can create up to 5 new Gmail accounts without the need of phone verification. After that, if you try to create account 6, 7, 8, you're going to need a phone verification with SMS. So guys, try to create this one, and when you create one new Gmail account, this means that you have to clear your browsing data again and use this new account. Log into the new account and create 5 new Gmail accounts. Like I mentioned earlier guys, every new Gmail account can create 5 new accounts without any issues, without any confirmation. Then after you log into your new account and create 5 new accounts, you want to log into one of the new accounts, create 5 new accounts and clear your browsing data. Repeat this same process guys and you will be able to have multiple new Gmail accounts without phone verification. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and like this video.